The word sociology is a combination of two words. The Latin word socius means companion, and the Greek word logos means study of. And if we combine these two words together, it becomes study of companionship. Now, there are multiple definitions of sociology available, but to put it simply, sociology is the study of human societies. And sociology is a product of the age of reason, when science and rational thinking began to reign supreme. Early sociologists were therefore quite anxious that for their discipline to be taken seriously, their methods should be seen to be rigorously scientific. And Auguste Comte, who is also known as the founding father of sociology, laid the ground rules for the new science of sociology based on the empirical evidence in the same way as the natural sciences. And Karl Marx also insisted on approaching the subject scientifically. Emile Durkheim was in fact the first one to gain acceptance for sociology as a social science in the academic world. And as we know, to be scientific, any research method must be quantitative. That is to say, have measurable results. Karl Marx and Emile Durkheim could point to facts, figures, and statistics to back up their theories, but others maintained that social research should be more qualitative. Max Weber advocated an interpretive approach, examining what it is like to live in modern societies and the social interactions, social relationships that are important for social cohesion. Although the interpretive and interpretivist's viewpoint was initially dismissed by many intellectuals of that time as unscientific. But over the period of time, sociology has become increasingly interpretive, especially in the latter half of the 20th century, with a methodology that includes a combination of qualitative and quantitative research techniques.